Want to clean your driveway, car, or pet shop without spending a lot of money? The Jetsono pressure washer promises to do just that. But is it too good to be true? Let's find out. The Jetsono pressure washer is a high pressure nozzle to your garden hose. It claims to offer professional grade cleaning power for fraction of the cost of traditional pressure washers. The official website boasts features like military grade power, multiple spray patterns, and the ability to clean various surfaces quickly and efficiently. The Jet Sono quickly removes dirt, grime, and stains from the surfaces like driveways, patioes, and vehicles, eliminating the need for scrubbing or multiple cleaning passes. This efficiency saves both time and water, making it the eco-friendly option. The quick performance also allows you to tackle larger areas or more frequently cleaning jobs with minimal effort. Now here is a picture. You can see that before and after. Problem is that the Jetson website implies high pressure sales tactics such as countdown timers and limited stop warnings to create a sense of urgency. However, these tactics have been criticized as misleading as the sale appears to be ongoing and not time sensitive. Now, if you're going to see the customer review of this website, so one side, wow, this thing takes a punch. I usually use some pretty harsh chemicals on my day-to-day stains and all of they leave an unpleasant odor and require me to stay off it a few days. But now with Jet Sono, I never have to worry about potential hazards for me and my temp. The second one said that the fact that I can use it all over my house is what really sold me on Jet Sono. And 1 hour I can go from speedily washing my car. But if you're going to see the feedback of real customers, what they say on Amazon, the one said that don't waste your money on this item. The video is entirely deceptive, nowhere near the pressure advertised. Post attachment leads where wash tube penetrates would give 0 stars if I could. The second one said that I have one of these and it doesn't power wash like it says. It is a great for watering the lawn and washing your car in and maybe a little bit of cleaning rugs or something. But it is not strong enough like a regular power washer of 1500 PCI or her. The third one said that absolute junk totally worthless. So, after that, several customers have reported challenges in obtaining refunds facing the Jet Sono pressure washer, issues including unresponsive customer services and long processing times for refunds. Based on our research, the Jet Sono pressure washer appears to be a product that doesn't deliver on its promises. While it may seem like a cost-effective solution, the performance and customer feedback suggest otherwise. If you are in the market for a pressure washer, it might be wise to consider other reputable brands that offer proven performance and reliable cost. While the Jet Sono pressure washer may look appealing at first glance, the lack of performance and customer satisfaction make it to a risky purchase. Always do thorough research before buying products online to ensure you are getting value for your money.